Hi, this is Natasha Rocca Devine and welcome to Harvey Norman in the Flagship store in Tallaght. Today I am going to take you on a tour of lighting. I absolutely love lighting, so I'll take you through each section and give you some tips along the way. So I'm going to start with these beautiful lamps. I would say these are ideal for libraries, darker rooms and commercial spaces. They're absolutely stunning. They have an Art Deco feel for it, and also here you can feel like you're away when you're not away. So now I'm moving on to the tall lamps, which are beautiful. I love the decadent detail here and here. They're very classic finish. My only suggestion and tip here is to only use these in with places with high ceilings. Just they're going to make the room feel a lot smaller. So moving on, I love this glass lamp and also the pendant, which I've used in a show home for Hollybrook, and my frank, it's absolutely stunning and it goes with any theme or scheme. Who did not have this or want this as a child? The MAP snow globe light. It is absolutely stunning and I think it's perfect for a child's room. Similarly, I think these matte pendants are ideal for kids' rooms, for playrooms and for kind of fun games rooms. I'm absolutely obsessed with these. I think they could be used on their own. They could be a statement piece in a library, a living room. I don't think you should put it in front of the TV. It may block the light, but I think they're absolutely gorgeous. And I think this one in particular has such a beautiful, a slightly Moroccan kind of theme and style on it, which I absolutely adore. So then we're going to move into here with these beautiful lights, which is brilliant here because in Harvey Norman they have different variations of these. The only thing I would say is that to make sure you have a high ceiling if you have these, or put them in areas that you're not going to bang your head, and to keep it safe. And also white will be harder to maintain, so just bear that in mind. I love these fabric pendants. They're absolutely stunning. I've used this actually in a show home I've designed. I think they're gorgeous and I think they're very, very classic. Out of all of the lamps, I think these are the most classic and they just will keep a room very serene and stylish. So now I'm moving on to the classic type of lamp. I think they're 1950s and 60s, a very Mad Men or Mad Women style. I think these are gorgeous. These are more classic ones here. And then to mix it up, you have different colors and finishes. So definitely add them to an office. This is a contemporary light. I think it's ideal for a home that doesn't necessarily warrant a lot of natural light. I think ideal in a stylish room with a contemporary home. And then these have a Moroccan finish. They're very beautiful and such decadent detail right up underneath. So I found my favorite lamp in the store, which is this beautiful velour pink and Art Deco meets rock and roll style lamp, and I feel like there's a his and hers thing going on in here, or a hers and hers, or a his and his. They're absolutely fabulous and I think this would really bring a va-va-voom to your room. So that wraps up my tour of lighting in the Flagship store for Harvey Norman in Tallaght, exclusively for RSVP Online. I hope you've enjoyed some of my favourite pieces. I'm going to end now with the Nerd Lamp. Well, I've renamed it the Nerd Lamp because I love reading, but for anyone who loves a Kindle or any computer, this is fabulous for an office or over a lounge area. Also, I want to say make sure that you invest in energy efficient bulbs and sustainable lighting. So I'm going to end now. Make sure to turn off your lights.